Hey YouTube, I hope you guys are doing well. Today's project, oil change on my Infiniti QX80. Got a few things from Amazon. The last time I took this car for service, it's missing a gasket, so I went ahead and picked up a new one. There's that rubber gasket right there. For whatever reason, what I have in there lost it. I bet it's the last guy who did the oil change on it. Forgot to, or it fell off and he could care less about it. Picked up a new one, oil filler cap. Got the valve in right there. Got the full synthetic oil, 5W30. And of course, picked up a Fram ultra synthetic oil filter. So hang tight, let me put this car on this ramp. I'm gonna use the incline of the driveway and back this car up, and to get me a little bit of crawl space underneath. So hang tight, I'll get started with the oil change. Use the incline of the driveway, and then that gives me enough room to crawl underneath. Up the hood. Oil filler caps right there. Oil filter is just right behind this thing. You need to remove that. You need to remove 4 bolts. 1, 2, up front, 3, and 4. Okay, take it off. Should be good to go. And there's your oil filter right there. Remove the oil cap before you remove the drain plug. It will help with draining. Next, remove the drain plug. Okay, let that thing drain. A quick comparison. No gasket. The new one, Moto Rad, has this rubber type material gasket. Alright, that's good enough. I'll leave it up to you how much you want to drain it, but for me, that's good enough. Clean it up, put the plug back in with the new gasket. I'll get the torque specification on that, but for now, hand tighten it. Don't forget, torque it. Next, remove the oil filter right there. Just loosen it up. Hopefully they just hand tighten it. Yep, they did. Take a look. Let it drain. Here's the old oil filter. 15208 9E01A, just in case you want to replace it with original parts. Okay, while we're waiting for that to drain, prep your new oil filter. Again, this is from Fram Ultra Synthetic. Wet this gasket with a little bit of oil, and usually I fill it up about 3/4 full. If it's in an angle, half is good enough, but that's just how the old man showed me, so makes sense to me to fill it up a little bit. A lot of people just screw it in empty, but I always fill it up. That's good. That's perfect. Clean it up. Perfect. Hand tighten it. Yeah, it's plenty. All right, clean it up. We are good to go. I still need to torque that drain plug. But other than that, it's time to fill up. But let me go ahead and torque that drain plug. Torque setting, 25. That's perfect. Let's fill it up. Well, this thing takes 6.9 quarts, so 2 more quarts. Bust open a second one. Okay, that's about right. Let's check the oil. Dipstick is right there. Yellow ring. Let's wipe it. There we go. All the way in. And let's check it out. You see it? It's perfect right there. Oh, that's beautiful. So it's about 6.8 quarts, that is. I am good to go. Put a new cap on. Here's a new cap. Dabbed it with a little bit of oil. It's a perfect fit. Beautiful. It's time to reset the maintenance notifications. So 2 places you need to do this on. One right there and one right there. Let's start it up. Click on info. Click on maintenance. Select engine. You could either touch it or press this enter button. 5,000 is fine. We put synthetic. Click on reset. Perfect. Now click back. Oil filter. Do the same thing. Reset. Beautiful. Click on this menu. Toggle through it until you see that window right there. Use the dot to select maintenance. This is your enter key. Select whatever it is that you want to reset. In my case, it's the filter and oil. Start with the filter. Enter. Select reset. It highlights it. Enter it again. Right there. And reset. See that? Brings it up to 0. Let's go ahead and click back. Enter. Now let me go to the oil. Enter. Let's reset. Dot and enter key. That resets it to 0. Again, this is an oil change I did on my Infiniti QX80. Everything worked out good, but before you seal it up, before you put that back, make sure that you check if you have any leakage. No leak. No leak right there. Let me start it up. Okay, just started the car up. Just want to make sure that there's no leak. Not leaking. Not leaking. So much for watching. I do appreciate it. Another successful project. We just did an oil change on our Infiniti QX80, and it was good. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Chat with you guys later. Don't forget to click subscribe. Click that notification bell. Bye for now.